student. Today let's start with chapter number 7, transportation in animals and plants. So in this chapter we will study about transport system in plants and animals. So every organism require essential nutrients and oxygen to be supplied to all parts of the body. In some single celled organism, what happens? Cell जो होता है वो directly food consume करता है. Multicellular organism like human being. This process can be time consuming as there are millions of cells present to get nutrients and oxygen supply. So we have a circulatory system in humans. So in higher animals, if we talk about, a well-developed transportation system called circulatory system is present. In humans, circulatory system is the life support that provides their body cells with food and oxygen, and what they take away, waste product, right? It consists of blood vessels and heart. So first is, this is your heart, these are the veins and these are arteries. So blood, you must have seen a red pigment that comes out the body when you get cut. देखो हमारी चोट लग जाती है तो red सा pigment आता है, that is blood. So the red pigment is blood. Blood is the fluid that flow in the blood vessel. It transport the digested food to other part of the body. ये क्या करता है? Digested food को different parts of the body में transfer करता है, and it also carry oxygen from lungs to each cell of the body. और ये किसमें help करता है? Transporting waste from removal from the body. Have you ever wondered how blood carries various substances? It is a liquid that contains cells of various suspended particles in it. ठीक है, जो फ्लूइड पार्ट होता है ब्लड का उसको हम प्लाज्मा कहते हैं. वी हैव आरबीसी, इसमें रेड पिगमेंट होता है, इससे हम हीमोग्लोबिन कहते हैं. एंड वी हैव डब्ल्यूबीसी, दैट इज व्हाइट ब्लड सेल, जो फाइट करते हैं अगेंस्ट द डिजीज. हमारी बॉडी में जब कोई डिजीज आती है तो उनसे कौन लड़ता है? व्हाइट ब्लड सेल, दैट इज डब्ल्यूबीसी. व्हाट आर इट्स फंक्शन नाउ? इट हेल्पिंग ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन फ्रॉम लंग्स टू बॉडी. ठीक है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को फ्रॉम बॉडी सेल्स टू लंग्स, ये एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ डाइजेस्टेड फूड और ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है टू ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. इट प्ले एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ एक्सक्रीटरी मटेरियल जैसे यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड. इट हेल्प्स इन रेगुलेटिंग बॉडी टेम्परेचर. यहाँ पे आपके सेल्स और एंटीबॉडीज होती है जो किसके अगेंस्ट फाइट करते हैं? इन्फेक्शन. नाउ ब्लड वेसल्स, देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ब्लड वेसल इज द बॉडी. वी नो ऑक्सीजन हैज टू बी ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू रेस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. ब्लड पिक्स अप वेस्ट मटेरियल इंक्लूडिंग कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ब्लड कम बैक्स टू हार्ट टू ट्रांसपोर्ट इट फ्रॉम लंग्स. और वो क्या रिमूव करता है? आपकी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. देयर आर टू मेजर टाइप्स ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स, आर्टरीज एंड वेन्स. ठीक है, आर्टरीज क्या होती है? ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड्स होते हैं जो हार्ट से टू ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी जाती हैं. वेन्स क्या होती है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिच होती हैं जो आपकी बॉडी से कहाँ जाती है? हार्ट पे जाती है. ठीक है, ये डिफरेंस आपको याद रखना है. नाउ आर्टरीज को हमने किसमें डिवाइड करा है? स्मॉल वेसल्स में. नाउ ब्लड ग्रुप, we have blood of different people have different characteristics. हमने दो फैक्टर्स पे, ब्लड ग्रुप पे और RH. एंटीजन जो प्रेजेंट होता है वो AB, A एंड B और नो नेगेटिव एंटीजन. ब्लड ग्रुप AB और O पॉजिटिव या O नेगेटिव. ब्लड ग्रुप हमेशा किससे इनहेरिट होता है? फ्रॉम पेरेंट. नाउ RH फैक्टर, इट इज अनदर एंटीजन जो प्रेजेंट होता है सरफेस ऑफ द रेड ब्लड से. इंडिविजुअल हु हैज द RH एंटीजन, the blood is considered RH positive, and who does not have RH negative, this is important distinction. Now blood transfusion, the transfer of blood from healthy person called donor to another person, जिसे हम recipient कहते हैं, उसको हम blood transfusion कहते हैं. Before transfusion, blood of both the donor and recipient is matched. If the blood of both the donor and recipient is found matching, then it can be transfused into body of the recipient. Like we have blood group A and B, AO, B, V, AB, BO, AB, AV, all group, right? Receiver person. Now people with blood group A and B, AB, तो क्या कर सकता है? वो रिसीव कर सकता है blood from people having any group. Therefore people having blood group AB, ये एक universal recipient होता है. Now heart, it is a vital organ that beats continuously, functioning as a pump to transport blood throughout the body. Blood क्या carry करता है? Oxygen, nutrients and other essential substances to various types of organs. They are located in the chest cavity. Heart is positioned with its lower tip just slightly tilted होता है towards the left side of the body. To give you an idea of its size, the heart is roughly the same size as your clenched fist. If you make a fist with your hand, what you can imagine that the heart is being about the same size. The heart has 4 chambers which prevents the blood rich in oxygen from mixing the blood rich in carbon dioxide. The 2 upper chambers are called atria and two lower chambers, so they are called ventricles, right? Here it is given, you can see the structure of the under section of the heart. ये आपका right atrium होता है, this is your pulmonary wall, ये आपका ट्रिस्क्यूप्यूल होता है, right ventricle, ये inferior canva, ये left है आपका atrium, ये left ventricle है, right? So the walls of the chambers of the heart are made up of muscles. किसकी बनी है? Muscles की बनी है. ये आपका rhythmic contraction करती है, right? So a doctor feel heart's beat with the instrument किसका use करता है? Stethoscope का. Now for measuring pulse rate. So place the middle and the index finger to your right hand of the inner side of your left wrist. Feel that throbbing movement and count the number of throbs and take the place in 1 minute. This is the pulse rate. How? Now run for about 5 minutes, and there you can measure the pulse rate. Your heartbeat will be. What if sponges and hydras also have blood? So animals such as sponges and hydras do not possess any circulatory system. The water in which they live bring food and oxygen as it enters their body. और जो water होता है वो क्या carry करता है? Waste material and carbon dioxide. So these animals do not need a circulatory fluid like blood. And William Harvey discovered circulation of blood. The current opinion in those days was the blood oscillates. इसे हम circulatorily कहते हैं. Excretion. Now that we have explored how carbon dioxide is removed from the body through exhalation, so when your cells perform their functions, certain waste products are released, and these are toxic, hence need to be removed from the body. इस process को जो removal of waste produced in the cells है from living organism, इसको हम excretion कहते हैं. What we call it? Excretion. What is excretory system in human? The waste is present in the blood has to be removed from the body. How it can be done? A mechanism to filter the blood is required. This is done by the blood capillaries. जिसे हम kidney कहते हैं. We have a pair of kidneys. When the blood reaches 2 kidneys, it contains both useful and harmful substances. है ना? और एक funnel like structure होता है जो आपके as a filter होता है जो waste product को क्या करता है? Filter करता है. From kidney urine goes into urinary bladder. एक tube like uterus है. वो क्या करता है? Bladder को stored जो स्टोर होता है ना ब्लैडर में, उसको क्या करता है? पास आउट करता है थ्रू यूरिनरी ओपनिंग. ठीक है. द किडनी, यूरेथ्रस, ब्लैडर एंड यूरेथ्रा, दे फॉर्म द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. देखो लोगों को जिनको फेलियर ऑफ किडनी हो जाता है उनको क्या होता है? डायलिसिस होती है. सो समटाइम्स ड्यू टू इंजरी ऑफ अदर कॉज ऑफ किडनी कैन बिकम नॉन फंक्शन. टू कीप द बॉडी हेल्थी एंड परफॉर्म ऑल द फंक्शन, आर्टिफिशियल किडनी इज कॉल्ड डायलिसिस मशीन. They are introduced, which are capable of performing purification of blood in the artificial way. Now, transportation in plant. So, we know that plants require the transport of all minerals and fluids. This process called transportation, which is done by special tissues, जिनको हम vascular tissues कहते हैं. Where they are present? They are present in roots, stem, and petioles. Roots are the main containers of water and mineral, and these water and minerals, they are present in roots and are transported to all parts of the plant with the help of xylem tissue. So plant क्या करता है? Absorb करता है water को with the help of root hair जो present होती है आपके root में. The food manufactured by the leaves of the plant is also transported to all parts. और जो transportation of food है to all the parts of plant, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Translocation. It is not necessary that plants use all the water. The unused water is evaporated from the leaves of the plant and what they form? Water vapor. Right? This is all. Now, let's start with the exercise of this chapter. Now, multiple choice question. The dash consists of 3 major components: blood, blood vessels and heart. That is circulatory system. Blood cells which transport oxygen. ठीक है, जो ऑक्सीजन ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं, what we call that? We call that RBCs. Human heart is, जो human heart है वो कितने chambered है? It is 4 chambered. Now the normal adult human being excretes about 1.5 liter of urine per. The process on which plant loses water through stomata transpiration. In plant, water is transported through, किससे transport होता है? Xylem. Right, next is fill in the blanks. Now hemoglobin is present in the, where it is present? Hemoglobin, blood में. Next is blood from the heart is transported to all the parts of the body by blood vessels. Human body having blood group O, universal Donor. Arteries and veins are joined by the network of what? Arteries and veins are joined by network of tissues. The main excretory product in human being is dash absorb water with the help of root present in the root of plant. Phylum. Now write T for true and F for false statement. First is red blood cells contain red color protein called hemoglobin. It's true.